In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix Studio, best method. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what this method actually does. Wix does not offer an official way to export full source code, databases, or server-side logic. What you can do, however, is save a local HTML snapshot of your pages. Think of it as a lightweight offline preview, great for archiving layouts, text, and basic styling, but not a complete standalone site. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and signing in to your account. From your site's main dashboard, click Edit Site to launch the editor. Give it a moment to load fully. Waiting here helps avoid partial or broken elements later. Once everything in the editor looks ready, you're set for the next part. Switch the editor to preview mode using the preview button at the top. Preview mode renders your page as visitors would see it, which is essential for capturing the correct HTML and styles. Let the page finish rendering completely. Images, fonts, and sections should settle before you move on. If your site uses animations or lazy loading content, scroll through the page briefly in preview so those elements appear before saving. With the preview fully loaded, press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on a Mac. Your browser will prompt you to save the page as an HTML file. Choose a folder you'll remember. Creating a dedicated Wix HTML exports folder is a good habit. And give the file a clear name that matches the page, like homepage or about. Click Save and wait for the download to complete. Depending on your browser, you may also see a folder of dependent files created automatically. Keep it in the same location as the HTML file so the page can reference those assets correctly. Now, let's set expectations for what you've just downloaded. The file preserves the basic HTML and CSS, so you'll see your layout, headings, text, and much of the visual structure. However, assets that rely on Wix's servers, such as some images, videos, or dynamic fonts, may appear missing or broken when viewed completely offline. Interactive features that depend on server-side logic, like contact forms, user accounts, or store and booking databases, will not function because that code runs on Wix, not in the downloaded file. And to be crystal clear, this is not a full export for hosting elsewhere. Wix currently does not provide a way to download a fully functional, independent version of your site. That's the best method to capture a local HTML copy from Wix Studio. Preview, save, and understand the limitations so you know exactly what you're getting.